Your cupcake box will come in two parts. You have the inner insert, which will have cutouts into which you're going to fit your cupcakes. So this one is a 12 cupcake box, so it has 12 inserts. Then you have the box. It's usually one whole large piece of cardboard which has been pre-folded. So what you've got to do is gently unfold the box and you will start to see that it has tabs and folds that you will just gently slide into place. Do the bottom bit first. Make sure all the tabs are nicely pushed towards the edges and sitting down nicely. And most cupcakes will have the lid also pre-folded onto the main frame. Sometimes they may have a lid that comes separately. In that case, you'll have a three-part piece of your cake board. I find that sometimes the lid crease is the hardest bit to fold out. So you want to make sure that you fold that out and that the lid will close nicely. Do this when it's empty so that when your box has the cupcakes, you're not going to be messing around and trying to do this with a box full of cupcakes. So here is my box all nicely folded. So now I know that it's secure. I'm looking at all the sides. It's nice and flush. So I know that I can now do the next bit, which is inserting the insert into the box. So the insert is much simpler. You'll see that it has some edges, so you're just going to fold that edges and that's going to raise the insert off on the box. So you're just folding the four corners of that and then you're just going to pop that into the box, making sure it's sitting nicely inside the box. And here comes the fun part, putting your cupcakes into your cupcake box. Now you have two options. I prefer to put the cupcakes into the cupcake box first, undecorated, so that they're nice and secure, and then I decorate them inside the box. That way I don't have to worry about messing the buttercream when I put them in the box, or you can decorate them and put them in the box. It's your choice. Happy baking.